Hi guys, welcome back to It's a Girl Thing. It's Durga Puja tomorrow and I thought to share my simple and favorite makeup look. So first of all, I'm using this moisturizer. Then I'm taking a MAC Strobe cream. This is going to add subtle glow and shine to your skin, and I'm taking generous amount of this and applying it on my face and neck, and with the help of my fingers I'm just going to blend it nicely. And then I'm going to take this orange lipstick from L'Oreal. It's a matte lipstick and I'm just going to apply it on my under eye area and places where I have acne scars. And then with the help of my fingers I'm just going to blend it. Next I'm going to take this MAC Studio Fix foundation and with the help of brush I'm just going to apply it and blend it nicely. And never forget to use foundation on your neck and ear as well. Then I'm taking this Kiko cream based concealer and applying it on my under eye areas and around my mouth and places where I have acne. This concealer is really good to apply. It will blend very easily and stays for really a long time. This is not going to smudge or show up any of those crease lines. And then I'm just going to use my compact. To my eyelids, I'm going to use this paint pot from MAC. This will hold eye makeup from creasing or smudging and helps the eyeshadow pop up. And it is very easy to work on. It's going to blend very easily. And then I'm using this compact again all over my face and neck. Next, coming to drawing eyebrows, I am taking this Kiko eyebrow pencil and filling it. Now I do have very less eyebrow, so I really invest a lot of time on doing my eyebrows, and this one is a very good eyebrow pencil. The color of it is really very natural, and it comes with a spoolie or a brush, so it's very easy to use it. Time for eyeshadow. So I'm taking this Urban Decay Vice palette and taking the brown shade from it and applying it on my crease. Now I'm taking very less product and with a blending brush I'm going to blend it very nicely. Then taking this slightly orange shade from the same Vice palette, I'm just going to use it on my eyelid, and then again I'm going to blend it. This is going to be a transition shade, so keep blending till you're satisfied about how it looks. Now I'm using this golden shade from my Naked 2 palette. I'm going to apply this shadow on half of my eyelid. It's a very beautiful golden eyeshadow, and once you're done doing this, I'm going to use that brown shade and again blend everything up. And to make the golden eyeshadow pop, I'm taking the product in my fingers and dabbing it on my eyelid and again blending. and I'm going for a soft wing look. So I'm just taking this Kiko waterproof liner and making a small wing. Next, I'm taking this very bright brown shade of lipstick and applying it on my lower lashes, and then I'm taking this brown shade from my Vice palette and applying that on my lower lashes as well. Time for mascara, I'm going for a normal ones. You can go for falsies or waterproof, whatever you like. I'm just using the normal ones. Now taking this golden glitter I got from Kiko, I'm going to spray my flat brush with MAC Fix Plus, and taking the glitter, I'll apply it on my eyelids. The Fix Plus will help the loose glitter stick, and it is going to look very, very beautiful. To contour, I'm taking this Kiko's contour pencil and applying it on my nose, cheekbones, and then with the help of my finger and brush, I'm just going to blend everything. I know it looks a little harsh now, but once the makeup is done, it is going to look fine, because I'm going to use a highlighter on this. Here I'm using Kiko's highlighter, and it's a cream based highlighter, just applying it on my nose and Cupid's bow and blending it using my finger. Next, I'm taking this Kiko's red lip liner and outlining my lips. This is going to make it very easy for me to apply lipstick. And then I'm taking a MAC's Ruby Woo shade of lipstick and applying it. It's a matte shade and it's going to suit any skin tone. For blush, I'm using this Inglots subtle pink colored blush, which is my favorite, and I end up using this in all and every functions I go. It's a very beautiful pink color, and then I'm going to use this Kiko's highlighter. I'm going to use it on my nose and Cupid's bow. We're almost done. The last thing is I'm going to wear my jewelries. I'm wearing this beautiful green earrings, which I got it from Zaveri Pearls, I guess. And lastly, I'm using this a bindi, and I'm almost done, and I really wanted to contour my shoulders, so I'm using this highlighter and bronzer. And to fix everything, I'm just taking this NYX Dewy Finish Fix Plus, and that's going to keep it very bright and nice. So here's how everything looks. It's a very simple and subtle makeup. I hope you guys liked today's makeup. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.